Hello guys, welcome to my channel Trading Chart Patterns. If you want to learn how to trade in stock market, what are the levels, how to draw support and resistance, what are secret strategies, then you can contact me through the link in the description which I have provided. And if you want to learn stock market from basic to advanced, you can join me at 10 May 9 am. Okay. Now let's analyze this stock, NAVIN FLOURINE. If you'll watch this stock closely, you will find out that this stock has made a bearish engulfing kind of a candlestick pattern at the top. Okay, so is it the top which we are discussing or which every shareholder watches for? Yes, this is some sort of a top, but the stock is bullish until or unless it gives any closing below this level of 3316. Okay, from 3614 to 3300. Okay, almost 10%, right? What has happened today with this stock? Okay, on the first 15 minute the stock was a gap up opening and it fell down and gave a closing below its previous range. Okay, this was the previous range. Okay, the stock gave a closing below this range. Okay, and after that it started to make another low. It fell and fell drastically. Okay, for the whole day the stock has fallen from to yesterday's high of 3634, made today high around 3649 rupees, and then started to fall eventually. What are the levels? Where lies the support? If you'll watch this stock in daily time frame, you will find out that the major support lies around 2927, okay, which is around 3000 rupees, almost 10% more from this levels. Okay, 10% more downside from this level. And if you look at the EMA support, you will find out that 3250 rupees might provide some relief. Okay, and what are the other levels which will act as a resistance or support? See, I am deleting this drawing. I am switching off this EMA. If you will look at this stock clearly, you will find out that 3564. Okay, this is the level which you should watch. If the stock tomorrow or any day goes till this level 3564, takes resistance, starts to fall, then you can easily short this stock with this level as your stop loss, and you can short below this level for further downside targets. Okay, where the stock is stuck today, the stock is stuck in this range. Okay, this range, this level is a short term support for this stock, 3328. Below this level you will find out that 3168 is the level, and below that level you will find out that 2930 is the level. Below that you will find out that 2232 is the level. Okay, so these are few important levels for this stock, NAVIN FLOURINE. If you want to learn how I did this, you can join me. Thank you for watching.